Hey guys, I just wanted to put together a quick video on how to install a flush kit on most Yamaha 701 two-cylinder engines. There are a couple different configurations of where the fitting would be mounted, and hopefully I cover as many as I can so you can get the best idea where to look. The block-off plug in most cases is at the back of the cylinder head or the back of the engine. You remove the block-off plug with a long-tip flat blade screwdriver, install the barb fitting in same location with a suitable pipe thread sealer. Connect the hose with supplied hose clamp and just tie strap the hose to a nearby accessible fixed point in the ski. That concludes the install on the Yamaha 701 engine flush kit. Now you can properly hook up a hose to your engine to flush it after a ride. Always make sure the engine is running before you turn on the hose. It is always best to install a water shutoff close to the engine in case the engine stalls. If you enjoyed this video or just found it helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one, and check out my description for links to tools and materials used in this video.